Hello, my friend, and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. So today, guys, I have a special little treat for you. We're going to be drawing a picture of Rihanna. So let's go ahead, guys, and get started. So I'm going to start with my basic head shape. How much space do I want my picture to kind of take up? So I'm looking at her head as one giant little silhouette first. Okay. And then I just let that face come to me. You never chase after her face. You always let the face come to you. So each picture is going to be different. I get a lot of questions. Where do you start first? Well, the answer to that is you start however the picture presents itself to you. Okay? And then you add, like me, I add or subtract based on what I feel like. Okay? So, let me go ahead and, one sec here. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting in our facial features. Okay. I'm just about ready to rock and roll. We're gonna do a little small nose here. Rihanna has a pretty small nose. Okay. Remember to relax and just kind of go with the flow of things. A huge part of drawing is how well you relax when you draw. You don't get over anxious and worried about what everybody's going to think about your drawing when you finish. Because no matter how cool your drawing is, to you, people always look at things differently. There's a possibility, even though your drawing is awesome, that they don't think it's that awesome. So, your awesomeness expectation is not met, and then that can get discouraging and cause you to over try in your drawing, and that never works out. So don't do it. Listen to the rouser. Don't do it. Okay. So now that we got our basic shape down, I'm gonna come back with my gray. Give him a little color in those eyes. She sure is pretty, isn't she, guys? Ladies, she's pretty. Let's not take that away from her. You can generally see a person's spirit in their eyes. I believe that to be good at this, you have to learn how to see spirit. What is that person like on the inside? Then you'll be able to draw them with ease. Yesterday, I actually did this picture in another video, but I didn't upload it. I showed it to my wife, and she says, that doesn't feel like her. And one thing about my wife, she's always a person that she never really, she's not a person that has hate in her heart, or she always, when she comes from she gives me correction sometimes about things or her opinion. I'm just doing my hair here. It always comes from a good place. You know, she corrects me with love and a chancla. For you guys that don't know what that is, that's a house shoe in Spanish. I think everybody knows what a chancla is now. We have been growing a Spanish population a lot. The odds are you probably have friends that are of the Spanish persuasion. They have shared that knowledge with you. Told you about the time their mom, abuelita, hit him with a chancla because they didn't listen. Those funny stories. Alright. So guys, I'm coming to the end here of my drawing. I want to do my last minute touches, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to take this time to thank you for watching this video tutorial on how to draw caricatures, browser style. I'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you have a question or comment, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and shoot us a message here at the channel. Just leave it in the comment section. We'll go ahead and get back to you as soon as humanly possible. You guys have heard about our excitement schedule. We're only allowed to be excited at certain times during the day, therefore we have to prioritize the questions by level of excitement. I don't know. I'm just messing with you. So guys, let's go ahead and sign our work. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And you guys have a blessed and wonderful day. I'll be seeing you next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.